In this video, I'll guide you through how you can verify your LinkedIn account with your work email. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. Let me show you how you can verify this LinkedIn profile with a work email. At the beginning, you have to click on this pen icon and scroll down and click on Add New Position. Now type your job title. Let's go with SEO Specialist and then add your organization. Then check mark on I currently work here and choose the exact month and year. Then click on Save button. Once you join a LinkedIn verified company, then click on Add Verification Badge. Then you will find this kind of option, Verify using your work email. Now you have to click on it and then enter your company email address. And click on Next button. Then LinkedIn will send you a verification code on your mail. Now you have to open the email account and get the verification code and paste it here. Once you paste the verification code, then click on Confirm button. And if you want to save your work email, then you can click on Save Work Mail, or skip this step, you have to click on No Thanks. Now refresh the page. Then you will see your LinkedIn profile will be verified. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily verify your LinkedIn account with a work email.